Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. The last time I uploaded a video was about a month ago, and I was 4 months going into my 5th month. I'm sorry I'm out of breath, like I was adjusting stuff. But yeah, I am back with a video. I feel so bad because I was just like going through the motions. Like I was happy, I was tired. It's like, dang, I'm getting wiped out here. So yes, I am back with the video. I'm just basically going to do a recap basically of my 5th month pregnant, because today, well no, as of Friday, I will be officially 6 months pregnant. Well, as of tomorrow. As of tomorrow, I will be officially 6 months pregnant, which is Thursday, Thanksgiving. Whoop whoop. I don't know if I shared this with you guys in my last video, but I am definitely having a baby boy. We officially have the name. I am super duper excited. The first name, the middle name, and the last name. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, we're gonna get right into this video. If you hear me breathing hard, 1, I just ate. 2, I did just a whole bunch of moving and adjusting. So bear with me. Don't judge me. I'm pregnant. All right. All right, you guys. So back to my channel, of course. What is the first thing I want to start with? So after I was done being sick and queasy and stuff, the things that I had to deal with the most was using the restroom a lot, which I'm still doing right now. Yeah, like, and it's crazy. What is crazy, the first thing about that is that I have to like use the restroom, and then it's a little droplet, and then I think when the baby adjusts, then it's like the rest of it comes, like, then I'm like, oh crap, now I have to really go use the restroom. So that's basically what's going on right now. And I'm still dealing with that. Tired, like extremely sleepy all the time. Like, I know they're like, oh well, your 2nd trimester you'll feel so much better because, you know, you'll be able to blah 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 blah, but I'm tired now. Like, if I had worked, I went to work and I had worked an all-day shift, right? I was wiped the out, okay? Like, I literally had came home, my feet were slightly swollen. They weren't like crazy swollen, but they were like swollen. And I literally had came home, sat on the couch, and I was scrolling, and I was literally like, and I just lifted my head up, and I was like, oh my god, like, this is real right now. I haven't been that sleepy since my college days, like when I was going to parties at like till 5 in the morning, knowing dang on well I had class at like 11 a.m. you know, not going to parties, coming back, I'm sorry, because I don't want my mom would be watching this and be like, oh, that's why you didn't text me back that one day. But no. But yeah, that's pretty much, so very sleepy a lot. Like, even my small little 8-hour shifts, like 8-hour shifts to me aren't that long, but now it's like, shit, I am tired. Like, I am crazy tired. Also, my nails are like long, getting long. I like long nails, and I usually don't have trouble growing my nails out long anyway, but my son is doing something to me. So but I'm also breaking nails too. Like, this is my dominant hand, so I'm kind of used to breaking nails on my dominant hand, but it's whatever. What's another thing? Whew, I need some water. Oh, I've also been shopping and stuff for the baby already. But that's not why we're here. We're still recapping. Also, my stomach. I don't have any stretch marks yet. I'm like going through this regimen of like just moisturizing and stuff and blah 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 like that. And I know people have like, well, stretch marks are genetic, but you know, it doesn't matter how much you moisturize or whatever. But I'm moisturizing just in case, because my mom doesn't have any. So but yeah, I'm starting to get like these little razor bumps, and they're not everywhere. They're just sometimes on the side and sometimes near my belly button. They go away pretty fast. They do. It's just like it shocked me a little bit, because I was like, what is this? Like, I like been, you know, going to Google and seeing if I'm the only one experiencing this, and some people are experiencing the same things. But they said it's a heat rash, like, because when you're pregnant, you're obviously having a lot of iron or whatever, how you want to say it. I don't ever say it right. You have a lot more blood in your body, so your body is extremely hot. I literally open up the window and my boyfriend's like, please close the window. It is cold. And I'm like, I'm perfectly fine. But yeah, it's just like, oh my God. Is it that? Probably. I think it's probably that for sure. But I haven't really had like a heat rash since I was like 8. Because I used to, for whatever reason, I used to get them all the time. Especially because we lived in like a hotter area of the country. But yeah. That was pretty much it. So quick recap, because I know I've been rambling, but definitely very sleepy, peeing a lot. Oh, and I'm hungry all the time. Oh my God. And it's not even I'm hungry all the time. It's just I don't really get hungry until nighttime. And I literally make me breakfast every day. It's like a requirement, because I tend to get a little sick if I don't eat on time. Like one morning I was in a rush for work, so I just grabbed a granola bar and I was like, you know, let me just eat this granola bar really quick and, you know, drink a lot of water. I go to work. Thank God I brought my Cheez-Its with me. But I went to work and I was so sick, and I was like, oh my God, like, this can't be happening again. I thought this was over. And I ate some crackers and I drank some water and I was good. And then the next day I was like, okay, now I really need to, you know, I make usually boiled eggs and oatmeal. Like, that's my go-to meal every morning. If I want to switch it up, I just scramble some eggs or something. But I definitely try to put those oatmeal and eggs, like, just help me. Like, it sticks to my ribs, so I'm good. Like, I don't have to even nibble. But when I do, I always keep like my Cheez-Its with me or granola bar with me, just to get me through work, because I work in retail. So it's not like I can just leave the floor and go eat. It's just, you know, stuff like that. But then when I get home, I'll eat something. Like, I'll make a sandwich, or I'll eat a bowl of fruit. Like, my boyfriend is just obsessed with making me a bowl of fruit. Like, I'll cut you up some fruit, I got you. Or I'll eat some grapes or something. So, you know, I'm not really eating that bad. Because for lunch I do kind of eat bad, I'm not even gonna lie. And I'm trying to get the best of myself before you know, I get a little out of control. But I'll like cook dinner and I'll nibble on dinner. Like, I'll literally nibble and I'll be like, I'm gonna put my plate in the microwave or something like that, or, you know, put the food in the oven, and I won't eat. And then I'll like take a nap or something, or I'm like trying to drift off to sleep, and it's like this hungry monster literally comes up from my stomach and is like, arr! Like, it's so crazy. And I'm just like, dang, I am starving. And I won't, if I don't eat, I cannot go to sleep. Sorry, you guys, if you just heard like some blinds moving, that is my cat out there acting a fool. She probably seen a squirrel and lost her mind. But that's pretty much it. I have gained weight. When I first got pregnant, it's crazy. When I first got pregnant, I was 138, 137 actually, to be exact. So I was 137, and now I am 158. I weighed myself today and I was like, oh, I'm really out here gaining weight, and I'm 6 months pregnant. So it kind of makes a little sense, you know. You do have to put on a little bit of weight to carry your baby. But I don't actually look that big. Like, I don't look like I'm about to be 160. Because I've been 160, I've been 170, and I've been 180. And I now don't look like I weigh that much. Which is crazy to me. Like, I'm just like, dang, I'm really about to be 160 pounds. But I don't look how I used to look. Because I've been like 160 before, especially in college. Like, I'm like, dang. And it's crazy because I have some jeans that I can literally still fit perfectly fine. So it might just be in the boobs. My boobs are way bigger than they were before. Like, even when my boobs were just naturally big, they're bigger. I mean, my stomach is bigger, which I am going to show you guys a belly shot. But yeah, I was just like, man, it doesn't look like I'm that big, but I'm getting up there. So that's pretty much it for my little recap. Nothing too crazy has, like, you know, happened, but outside of me also breathing hard if I'm doing too much stuff, and slightly being sick if I don't eat, but I think that just comes with the territory. Also, I'm thinking of stuff while I'm like, I should have wrote it down so I wouldn't, you know, forget. Suffering from pregnancy brain, that is a definite for sure. Like, I'm literally losing it now. Like, before I filmed this video, I was looking for my charger for my camera, and I was like, babe, where's my charger? Like, I left it on my makeup table. Like, where is it? He's like, it should still be in there. And I couldn't find it. Literally looked like, I'm cleaning off the table and the charger is sitting right in the corner in front of my face, and I literally like walked past it like 4 or 5 times. So I am losing it. And my skin, I have dry skin, I have sensitive skin. That's normal to me. But now my skin is so sensitive, like some days it just does not, like, it's clear. My skin is very clear right now, but it does not want to cooperate. Like, sometimes it will burn, and I don't like with witch hazel, which is crazy to me because witch hazel is so gentle on my skin. Like, I can wipe my face off and, you know, I'm done. But my witch hazel sometimes burns, and I'm like, oh my god, did they change the ingredients? They changed the formula. So when I go to tone my face, sometimes like right here in my T-zone, it will burn. And it's not like a burn make my eyes water, or like if you've ever put alcohol on your face, it's not like that, but it's a little tiny sting. It's like, oh my god, like this is real right now. So I've noticed my skin getting a little bit more sensitive. Plus it's also getting colder outside, but usually that doesn't matter. I think it's just my pregnancy like affecting my skin. But yeah, so I'm going to show you my ultrasound picture, and I'll show you my little mans. So this is when I was 21 weeks, and I have like 6 of them, because I was like, I am determined to get a photo this time around. So this is my baby. There's his head. Look at my baby, he got a little big head. And then there's his little stomach. And then actually this is the one with his hand by his face. So if you can kind of see that, his hand's like right there. So yeah, that's my little baby. And I'm gonna have to pause this video so I can readjust the room so you guys can see my belly bump. So just bear with me. Give me a second. Okay, so here's my stomach so far. You guys probably can't see it, but it's like those little red bumps I was talking about. I have like 2 of them right here. My stomach is kind of hairy right now, but don't look at that. I'm starting to get my little dark line too. But yeah, there is, got little stretch marks, but those are okay. That's normal. That's the other side of my stomach. And this is my pregnancy belly. Here's my stomach with my shirt on too. So, whew, boobs are big, man. And there it is. And thank you guys so much for bearing with me and tolerating me and watching my channel. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you guys come back again because I'm actually going to do a very tiny baby haul just to show you guys what I've bought so far for my baby. But thanks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And come back to my channel.